You pee every day and you're a science student, but you can't even explain about the formation of your own urine because you were sleeping during the lecture. Here we are on the second part of the formation of urine, which is reabsorption in the proximal convoluted tubule. If you guys missed the first part of the formation of urine, you can click the video I linked in the comment. This part will take place at the lumen of the proximal convoluted tubule, proximal cell, intercellular space, and vasa recta. What the heck is vasa recta? Vasa recta is a blood capillary located at the nephron. When we say reabsorption, who absorbs it? The one that does the reabsorption is the blood capillaries, or the vasa recta. So first, when filtrate enters the proximal convoluted tubule, all of the useful substances like glucose, amino acids, vitamins, and hormones will be actively transported from lumen to proximal cell to intercellular space to vasa recta. When I said active transport, it means it uses energy. When I said passive transport, it does not use energy, same as diffusion or osmosis. So in this case, it uses energy as it was active transport. Second, the filtrate in the convoluted tubule, 85% of ions will move through active transport from lumen to proximal cell to intercellular space to vasa recta. It is active transport for ions, but osmosis for water, so only ions use energy. Third, small plasma proteins. These will be taken by the proximal cell by pinocytosis, digested by lysosomes, and then transported to the vasa recta by diffusion, which does not use energy. What the heck is pinocytosis? Pinocytosis is the same like phagocytosis, but instead of eating, it is drinking. Fourth, urea will be absorbed passively, which means it does not use energy, from lumen to proximal cell to vasa recta. Last but not least, creatinine and toxic substances will move from vasa recta to proximal cell to lumen. Did you know that our body can have a maximum concentration of substances in our blood, which is called the renal threshold? When it exceeds the renal threshold, the substances will be excreted in the urine. Understand these so you do not only remember, but also can rewrite the idea in the exam. Remember, biology in the textbook usually uses high vocabulary and words. Always change the words into how you can understand them easily on your own. Interested in the next part? Follow me for more. I'll place the video in the comment.